Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about various page setup options and we will also see how to see print preview of our slide to be printed. To set the page setup, first go to the design ribbon and page setup options. Now click on the page setup option. So one window will open. Now you can set size of your slides. For example, your size to be displayed on 16 by 9 ratio screen, then you can use this size for your presentation and press OK. So your size of slide will be changed and content fits in that size only will be displayed on screen. Now you can see various sizes are available for presentations. So I am selecting my normal size. You can also set width and height manually to be displayed. You can also set orientation for your slide. For example, if I want to set my orientation to portrait mode, then I can select portrait and press OK. So this is the portrait mode. Portrait mode used when there are lots of content in our slide. So this is my portrait mode. So this is page setup option. Now I am selecting my landscape mode. Now this is about page setup option. Now let's see print preview. To see print preview, go to the office button and go to print option and print preview. So this is my print preview of slide. I can move to next slide by clicking here. So if I want to print my presentation slide onto paper, then I can use this print preview to see the demo of print of slides. To print this slide, go to the print option. So this way you can see print preview by using print option provided by Microsoft PowerPoint Office button. If you are printing your PowerPoint presentation slide, then you have to use A4 size page and you have to print the slide on portrait mode. So this is the good practice to print your presentation slide. Means it will look very nice if you are printing in landscape mode presentation slides. So this is about page setup and printing option for PowerPoint presentation slides. Thank you very much.